గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ వ్యూయర్స్. కోనసీమ షార్ట్ హ్యాండ్ క్లాసెస్కి మీకు స్వాగతం. ఇవాళ స్పెషల్ కాంట్రాక్షన్స్ సెక్షన్ 2 అందరూ కూడా పేజ్ నెంబర్ 173 తీయండి. మరి ఇంతకుముందు వీడియోస్లో మీకు 125, 126 మీకు డిక్టేషన్ ఇచ్చాను, చూడండి. స్పెషల్ కాంట్రాక్షన్స్ సెక్షన్ 2 January, JN on the line January, KP on the line capable, Karke above the line character, Karke circus K above the line characteristic, K mer above the line commercial commercially, Kar circus G above the line cross examine cross examined cross examination, K circus Che exchange exchange exchanged, expediency expenditure expensive especially, esquire establish established establishment, immediate imperturbable magnetic magnetism, manufacture manufactured, extinguish extinguished, govern governed, government, familiar familiarize familiarization, February, financial, efficient, sufficient, manufacture, mathematical, mathematics, mathematician, maximum, mechanical, metropolitan, mortgage, mortgaged. ఈ దీంట్లో ఈ సెక్షన్లు అంతా కూడా మీకు సెక్షన్ 1 కూడా అంతే, సెక్షన్ 2 కూడా ఇనీషియల్గా ఉండేటటువంటి 2 లేక 3 కాన్స్టెంట్స్ రాస్తాడు అంతే, అవుట్లైన్స్, కాన్స్టెంట్ అవుట్లైన్స్. JN జాన్ యువరి, FEB ఫెబ్, FB ఆన్ ది లైన్ ఫిబ్రవరి, అవన్నీ కూడా. సో ఇది మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోండి. చేసుకుంటే మీకు డిక్టేషను దీంట్లోనే, ఇది ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకున్న తర్వాత మాత్రమే మీరు డిక్టేషన్స్కి వెళ్ళండి. టుడే ఐ గివ్ డిక్టేషన్ on exercise number 128 and 129, page number 174 of the instructor. Get ready to take dictation. He who wishes to become a fluent speaker must first of all be capable of making a speech, but it is a somewhat sad fact that some people are naturally incapable of expressing their thoughts verbally. It is no abuse of language, however, to state that even nature may be overcome and the taciturn person may acquire such fluency as to surprise his friends by his eloquence. It is only necessary to recall the character of Demosthenes and how he developed the characteristics of a great orator to prove that this is so. It is especially essential that familiarization with details of the subject be acquired beforehand, otherwise a mortgage is placed on the chances of success by an insufficiency of facts, when a insufficiency would probably mean unqualified success. With the precision of a mathematician, he should marshal his facts, familiarize himself with apt illustrations to establish them, and keep in view the immediate purpose of his speech. Then there are certain gestures which can be suited to circumstances with mathematical accuracy, but these should be as far removed as possible from merely mechanical action, if the maximum results are to be attained. Some fail to govern themselves in this matter, and thus extinguish the possibility of being effective. Further, a homely and familiar style should be cultivated and adopted as occasion requires. The efficient cultivation of the voice should receive especial attention. Unfortunately, it is too often ignored or treated with but insufficient consideration by those who do not recognize its expediency. Dictation exercise 129. At the meeting of the directors today, it was stated that the rates of exchange in January and February were favorable to manufacturers in this country. Regarding the matter of expediency, to discuss which the meeting was primarily called. It was thought that the plan suggested might prove very expensive and cause endless trouble in arranging the necessary mortgage. The chairman, John Ogden, Esquire, a commercial magnate, is a very capable mathematician, and he carries out all his business with mathematical exactitude. He is hoping that the mechanical efficiency of the establishment may be sufficient to check any unnecessary expenditure during the coming year. No man is more familiar to the members of the exchange than he, and his speeches at social functions are noted for their humor, while his placid manner is a characteristic which compels the admiration of all. He is possessed of great personal magnetism, and it is due undoubtedly to his ability that the company has an almost unassailable position which has surprised those who are engaged in a similar manufacture. That's all. మీరు ఈ డిక్టేషన్ ఏదైతే ఉందో మరి ట్రాన్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకుని మళ్ళీ కరెక్షన్ చేసుకోండి. కరెక్షన్ చేసుకోవటం కంపల్సరీ టు నో యువర్ ఎబిలిటీ, వెదర్ యు ఆర్ ఏబుల్ టు రైట్ the outlines that has been dictated correctly or not. Okay, thank you.